COTPS day 32. Let's check out those awesome results. What's going on, future entrepreneurs? Welcome back to the channel where we talk passive income, crypto, stocks, and affiliate marketing. Go ahead and give me the LNS special. Hit the like and the subscribe button for more content, more information, guys. Trying to get 200 subs by the end of the month, 200 subscribers by the end of the month. I really appreciate every last one of you guys who have subbed, but I also noticed that 80% of the people who watch my videos have not subscribed. What you guys are waiting for? Come on, hit that subscribe button. Give me that like and subscribe button for more content, guys. Disclaimer. This channel and the information included are not intended to serve as a substitute for financial consultation. Seek financial help when needed or necessary. I'm not trying to be you guys' financial advisor. Please seek financial help if that's what you need. Also, come back and read the rest of this disclaimer at your own time. I want to get to today's video so I don't waste too much of you guys' time. COTPS day 22. The last time I was hitting my refresh button on this web browser, I had $2,200. And let's see what we had up here. The total was $22.17, and the assets. Let's hit the refresh button and see what we got for it today. To hit the drum roll, please. $22.56. Let's see what that is. 22.56. Let's put that in our little Excel sheet right here to see where we are. Pull out the calculator so we do the math right before your eyes so I can show you how much I've been making, how much I've made. I'm getting close to the $100 a day. I can feel it. I can smell it. I can taste it. Minus 21.78. It comes to a total of $78. And as you can see, that was a big jump from that day to this day. Normally, it hasn't been that big of a jump, like 36, 34. It'll go up and it'll go down, but you'll still end up with somewhere around the average of 3%. And even once I made the deposit into the account, you can see it went from 157 as a increase. And then the very next day, it was 52, which was a couple dollars away from there. Then we went up again to 76. And then I kind of screwed up right here where I didn't put in my stats, but I had to start over again. But then as you can see, it's normally right around that same number every single day, plus or a little bit more, the next minus a little bit every single day, showing that you guys make profit with this system. This system is pretty much it's pretty easy. It's not hard. It really is. And just an update for all of you guys who already have joined my channel. I'm going to leave a link down below for any resources you guys or any other questions you may have. It's pretty much a site that was set up for the team that I'm on, and it's a lot of resources, some questions may be answered. You can go to that site and check it out. And if you have any other questions outside of the site, don't forget to comment down below and ask me the question. But let's go ahead and finish this up. So 78, we're going to divide that by 22.56 so we can get our percentage. So we grew at 3.45% from yesterday to today. And as I've stated in my other videos, that I do my 24 hours from 8:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. And as you can see, the last transaction that I had was around 8 a.m., which was not long, was pretty much probably about an hour ago. So let's see, did I put that? No, I put that in the wrong spot, look like. So that was 3.45%. Look like I got a couple extra blocks to fill out. I didn't add anything yesterday. I didn't add anything today. And also, you can see right here, I did give away the $60 for the people who joined. I still have a couple more people left to join, but I'm gonna take care of you guys. If you did join, I'm going to take care of you on Friday. I'm going to take care of the last couple of people that decided to join and take me up on a particular offer. Pretty much giving away $20. It may not seem like a lot, but it's pretty much 100% profit for you. And if you just put it inside a system and let the system work for you, you can use that to start off with leveraging the power of this opportunity. Okay, I'm going to leave a link down in the description for those of you that do want to join. I'm also going to have a link down below for those of you who want to check out the resources. If you have any other questions that may be answered, it's pretty much a home page for people who are new to crypto. You can go there and figure it out. It's also for those of you who have joined and you need to figure out how to use the free bot. There's videos that show you how to do all that stuff on that particular site. Thank you guys for watching again. I appreciate you watched all the way to the end. This is the Passive Income Trucker. Don't forget again, give me the LNS special. Hit the like and subscribe button, please. Help me get to my 200 subs. Oh, guys, I almost forgot to tell you, I am going to be starting another kind of a daily thing. I'm going to be putting $20 into another account so I can show you guys exactly how much money you can earn if you put $20 in one of these accounts and just let it sit there and earn over time. That's going to be another video that I start sometime this week, maybe next week. I appreciate you guys once again. I'm out.